Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to start new topic. Topic number 4.1, section number 4, and this is our first topic in section number 4. Topic's name is History of Novel. Now, before starting our topic, I would like to tell you in Marathi what is the meaning of novel. Novel in Marathi it is called as Kadambari. And once you know the meaning of novel, definition of novel, then you will understand what is the content part of this topic. Okay, let us go line by line and we see the history of novel. What is the history of novel? The 18th century has gifted English literature two entirely new forms which are without any traces in the ancient classical heritage. One of these was the periodical essay and the other was novel. That means there are two parts, the periodical essay and novel. Both of these forms, especially novel, caught the spirit of the 18th century as the age of intellectual, sentimental, and realistic plane and tried to instruct the readers which would help them to a more purposeful and virtuous life. Since the time of its origin, novel has been gaining popularity and growing gradually. Today it is recognized as the most dominant literary genre. Literary genre. Now, uh, the periodical essay and novel, these are the two formats. And what is the meaning of novel here? A novel is a relatively long narrative fiction which describes intimate human experiences, normally in a prose form. Okay, this is nothing but definition of novel. A novel is a relatively long narrative fiction. कादंबरी म्हणजे काय तर एक अतिशय विस्तृत पद्धतीने मांडलेलं एक विवेचन जे आहे, फिक्शन, एखादी कादंबरी आहे, which describes intimate human experiences normally in a prose form. तर माणसाच्या जगण्याचे अनुभव जे आहेत ते विशिष्ट पद्धतीने मांडणं, ज्यात विशिष्ट असा माणसाच्या जगण्याचा आलेख जो आहे तो समाविष्ट होईल, तर ह्या अशा विस्तृत लेखनाला कादंबरी असं म्हणतात. कादंबरी शेवटी काय आहे तर एका आपल्या जीवनाचं प्रतिबिंब जे आहे ते कादंबरीमध्ये पडलेलं असतं. त्या पद्धतीने कादंबरीकार जो आहे तो आपल्या जगण्याची वाट जी आहे ती आपल्याला दाखवत असतो आणि अशी ही कादंबरी जी आहे माणसाच्या जीवनाचं वर्णन करणारी ही कादंबरी नॉव्हेल. द प्रेझेंट इंग्लिश वर्ड नॉव्हेल इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द इटालियन नॉव्हेला. तर हा जो शब्द आहे नॉव्हेल हा कुठून आलाय? इट इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द इटालियन नॉव्हेला. दॅट मीन्स ओरिजिनल वर्ड इज इटालियन नॉव्हेला अँड इट कम्स फ्रॉम इटालियन नॉव्हेला. इट टर्न्स इनटू नॉव्हेल meaning new. What is the meaning of novel? Novel means new. A novel narrates a story, embellishing it with more details of time, place, nature, people, and their minds. A novel narrates a story, embellishing it with more details of time. तर कादंबरी जी आहे ती ह्या कादंबरीमध्ये जी सजावट केलेली आहे सगळ्या गोष्टी ज्या आहेत इत्थंभूत त्याच्यामध्ये येतात. त्यात वेळ असेल, जागा असेल, त्यांचे स्वभाव असतील पात्रांचे, पात्रामध्ये कोणते कोणते विशिष्ट असे काही कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत ते, त्यांची मन जी आहे, त्यांची मनस्थिती जी आहे, देअर जेस्चर्स अँड ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, त्यांचे विशिष्ट अशा हालचाली, पात्रांच्या हालचाली, त्यांचे विशिष्ट असं वागणं, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टींचा अंतर्भाव जो आहे तो कादंबरी ह्या क्षेत्रामध्ये येतो. नॉव्हेल इट क्रिएट्स द पिक्चर ऑफ द सोसायटी ऑफ दॅट टाईम. नॉव्हेल मेक्स लाईफ इझियर to understand than in drama and poetry. In modern era, novel has adopted literary prose. तर या पद्धतीने एक लिटररी साहित्यविषयक जाण जी आहे ती तिच्यात परिपूर्णता यावी यासाठी या आधुनिक कालखंडामध्ये कादंबरी जी आहे ती प्रामुख्याने माणसाच्या जगण्याचं प्रतिबिंब दाखवणारी अशी ती रेखाटली गेलेली आहे. द नॉव्हेल ॲज अ लिटररी जनर हॅज अ हिस्ट्री ऑफ अबाउट 2000 years. आणि अशा ह्या कादंबरीला, अशा ह्या नॉव्हेलला 2000 वर्षापूर्वीचा इतिहास जो आहे तो लाभलेला आहे. अमंग द अर्ली प्रिकर्सर्स ऑफ नॉव्हेल, प्रिकर्सर्स मीन्स अ पर्सन और थिंग दॅट कम्स बिफोर another of the same kind, a forerunner. Precursor means a person or thing that comes before another of the same kind, or it is also called as a forerunner, ज्याला आपण नांदी असं म्हणतो, पूर्वचिन्ह म्हणतो. Among the early precursors of novel, a collection of tales known as Greek romances, dating from the 2nd to 6th century, may टॉप द लिस्ट. तर सुरुवातीच्याच कालखंडामध्ये 2nd to 6th सेंचुरी, 2ऱ्या आणि 6व्या शतकाच्या दरम्यान ह्या ग्रीक लोकांचे जे रोमांस आहेत, त्याच्या कथा ज्या आहेत त्या कादंबरीच्या स्वरूपात त्या ठिकाणी उदयाला आल्या. These imaginative and delightful stories of ideal love and marvelous adventures profoundly affected the creative writing for the next 1000 years. Though novel in the modern era usually makes use of a literary prose, the earlier threads of the genre can be found in Virgil's Eclogues or Malory's Morte d'Arthur or Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. That means these are the names of poet Virgil's, Malory, Geoffrey Chaucer, and these are their literary work. Virgil's Eclogues or Malory's Morte d'Arthur, Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. These are nothing but historical things which are nothing but history of novel. These are the names regarding the history of novel. After that, Marusaki Shikubu's Tale of Jiniji, here time is given, has been described as the world's first novel. This is the world's first novel. Marusaki Shikubu's Tale of Jiniji, this is the first novel in our English literature, and it is in 1010. That means in the decade of 10th. The European novel is often said to begin with Don Quixote by Spanish writer Miguel de Cervantes, which was published in two parts between 605 and 1615. All these are the historical events given here. In the 18th century, the appearance of newspaper and magazines attracted a large number of readers from the middle class. These new readers had the little interest in romances and tragedies, which were appreciated by the upper class. Thus, need for a new type of literature arose that would express the new ideas of the 18th century. The 18th century new literature was characterized by the spirit of realism and denial of romantic features like enthusiasm, passion, and imagination. The foreground for the novel was prepared by all these factors. After 1740, novel originated as a literary form in England. Increase in trade and commerce, along with the Industrial Revolution, had given rise to the middle class. A class of people had emerged to occupy an elite status. The realistic picture of everyday life and problems of common people depicted in the novels appealed to the newly educated class and was regarded by them as respectable reading material. Thus, novel as a form appears to have been designed for both to voice the aspirations of the middle and lower classes and meet their longings. हे अतिशय महत्त्वाचं वाटते मला. Novel as a form appears to have been designed for both to voice the aspirations of the middle and lower classes. तर मध्यमवर्गीय आणि लोअर मिडल क्लास यांची जी महत्त्वाकांक्षा होती, ॲस्पिरेशन्स होते, त्यांची जी काही स्वप्न होती, त्या स्वप्न, त्यांच्या ज्या काही इच्छा आहेत, लॉन्जिंग्ज आहेत, याबद्दलचं जे चित्रण आहे ते नंतरच्या कालखंडात म्हणजे 18व्या शतकाच्या कालखंडात ते आलेलं आहे. The spread of machines could provide a time to the educated middle class for reading and discussion about the books. Drama and poetry were the two literary forms that were fading away. आणि हळूहळू नाटक आणि कविता ह्या कमी झाल्या. Novel was a combination of some features of them and some new features were added to the form. It was the prominent form in the 18th century and onwards to encompass the social, political and cultural happenings and scientific progress. Okay, we stop and turn to next AV.